Good evening, traders, and sorry for the little delay. I was just uploading a video. I had to do it before a live session. And as you know, guys, there's a Christmas holiday starting, so that's why I just wanted to do it as soon as possible. So, welcome to another live session. And as usual, we're going to go through all the markets one by one. And do let me know if you have any questions. We can go through that quickly. So, okay. That looks good. Hi Tamer, hi Saim, hi Yui, good to see you. So yeah, we're going to go through the markets and let's see if there is any opportunities. For this week, market's going to be really slow, so we might not have many opportunities, but do let me know if you have any questions and stop me whenever you want to while I'm going through the markets. So let's look at USD Japanese yen. Hi Vamosh, good to see you. We are looking at the forex pairs, and then we'll go through commodities, indices, and crypto market as well. So here on USD Japanese yen, no condition. Overall, we are in a strong bullish momentum. Nice pullback, pushing higher. I'm looking at the level above right here. If you're looking to sell USD Japanese yen, it is an area till where I'm expecting a price to head to. Right here, a big level. So unless and until the price reaches this level, I won't be looking for any sell trade. A very good level to sell USD Japanese yen once the price head to this zone. USD CAD. USD CHF actually. About to hit the level of resistance. I've already sent you these levels yesterday. So keep an eye on this level if you are looking to sell USD CHF. Right here for now. Just a pullback bullish entry we are looking at on USD CHF. And the CAD, we have a possible double bottom. And aggressive entry as well. Something like this. I'll go just 1 ATR below 45 pips. Something like this. So that looks good to me. And let's see how this goes. Possible buy entry here on USD and NZD CAD. GBP NZD possibly going to push higher as well. Came back in the zone, bullish engulfer here, and looks good to me. And looking at that, we can see a possible spike out of GBP NZD. According to that, that would be my entry right at the close. And I'll go according to the ATR 70 pips, 80 pips above. And 80 pips below. That is my first target. For the bigger targets, I'll go till here, 148 pips. So, possible buy here on GBP NZD as well. GBP CAD is still ranging sideways. So, let's see how it breaks out. If it breaks out below this pattern, it will likely to fall to the zone below right here. So a big crash will come if that happens, and if the price broke below this little symmetrical triangle. Keep an eye on this pair as well. GBP AUD, possible buy signal here on GBP AUD. Looking at this nice bullish engulfer. My target looks like this. 88 pips is my target, and let's see how this goes. Trading above 50 EMA. I might send this as an alert as well. For now, that is an entry condition. Right at the close, entry is 2.114 and then 88 pips. Take profit in 88 pips. Stop loss for this pair. Euro CHF, not a valid bullish engulfer in case you are wondering. But for this pair, I'll be just looking for buy trades. But once we are broken above these highs, pullback entry bullish is something I'll be looking at. So for now, just buying for Euro CHF if you are looking at this pair. Euro AUD, ascending triangle, breakout will confirm the entry. Above will be likely because we are trading above 50 EM. If broken above with a solid candle, that will be a very aggressive entry. I'll keep my stop loss tighter. Take profit can be 1-to-1 initially. So let's see how this goes as well. So these are the possible setups I'm looking at for the next week. AUD CAD is strongly bearish. Just bearish trades with a pullback below 50 EMA, and bearish engulfing pattern is something I'll be looking at for AUD CAD. Any questions, please? You can always stop me and I can take a look at your own preferable instrument. If you're looking at DAX, a bullish engulfer here, looking at that, a possible signal for the price, for the market to push higher from here. So likely signal, and looking at this, we have a good strong signal here that happens at the level of support. Nat gas, I've just done the analysis of nat gas, so yep, take a look at that. But we are bullish for nat gas, expecting a price to head to this level of resistance if we are looking here on over-under. Gold is also ranging between this symmetrical triangle pattern. All I'm waiting for the breakout. Now breakout, I want to see a break below this symmetrical triangle. Once that happens, we're going to see a possible fall out of gold. GBP, JPY and Simon says and gold. Yeah, gold, Simon's just looking at this pattern right here. Keep an eye on this pattern. Break below will confirm the sell trade. Break above 50 EMA is likely. If that happens, the price will likely to push up. But for now, my bias is still bearish. GBJPY. GBJPY has a sell buy signal before. Already had a buy signal. If you know this entry, buy has already been triggered from A. ATR is 95. That's quite high. I'll go 105 pips for the target, and the target has been hit already. 108 pips target has been hit. That is a smaller target and very big targets, I must say. Like 108 pips is not a smaller target. But for this pair, I'm expecting the price to head to at least 198.55. That is my bigger target. It's 208 pips I'm expecting for the price to get to. USD SGT, yep. That's an exotic pair. Right here, Singapore dollar. Okay, perfect. Nicely pushing higher, nicely trending higher, and on a daily time frame, we are nicely pushing higher as well. Now for this pair, the structure has been broken recently. Right here. If you want to buy, let the price come down to 1.344, goes to 1.351. It is a buying area. Once the price pulls back, forms bullish engulfers, double bottom, that is your strongest buy signal. If not, if let's say the price fails to reach this zone. USD Japanese yen, I'm going to go through very shortly. So, have this area on your charts, a very strong anchor level or support level, you can say, right here. 1.344. 5 goes to 1.3511. Very strong level. And otherwise, I want to see a break above this high. Only then I'll look for the pullback entry bullish. So either enter after the break above this high with a pullback, or wait for the pullback to this zone to buy. So we need to wait with patience and wait for the better entry conditions. USD Japanese yen, nicely pushing higher. We have a strong level above. 160.17 goes to 161.82, a level from where I want to sell. Otherwise, I'm not selling, just waiting for the price to break above this high. Once we have broken above this high, start to look at the pullback entry bullish. Or if you have a good retracement above 50 EMA, that will be a strongest entry. Bullish engulfer right here, a strongest entry. So keep an eye. Either buy above 50 EMA with the retracement, or once we are broken above this high, then with the retracement, buy. Don't buy here, buy with these conditions. Sell only from the zone above. That's my pleasure. Nice glasses time. Okay, so where were we? NZD-USD is getting very close to the level of major support. Right here, I've already sent these levels to you on the report. Not trading this pair, but let's see if we have a breakout. We do have a breakout. No levels. So if you are trading NZD CHF, which is a very slow pair, 0.5115 goes to 0.5147. Right here, it is a zone. With the pullback, I will sell again. So yeah, we have a nice resistance above to sell this pair. Yes, we can go to 1 hour as well. 1 hour, if you see an entry on 1 hour, take your entries. 1 and 4 hour is my preferable time frame to enter my trades. Okay, break above. Possible buy, but since we are below 50 EMA, I'm not taking it as an entry. Skip this one as well. CHF JPY looks very good. I'll be interested in this pair. Either pull back above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer will be my buy signal. So I'll wait for that. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. So possible buy will happen next week or this week, but bullish engulfer will be my entry condition. Market will be closed tomorrow from today, so it's going to be very slow. CAT CHFA 382 candle buy signal above 50 EMA. Looking at that, my target looks something all the way from the close. Go ATR below 16, 15, 31 pips. So for CAT CHF, that is my target. Looks like this. All the way to 0.62890. Stop loss 0.62252. If you're late, wait for the price to come down for the buy limit order right here. So market's going to be very slow time. I think so it's going to close at 8 p.m. UK time today. So closes in 5 hours. So around 4, it's 5 o'clock now. Yeah, so it's usual time. Happy holiday traders. That looks good. It's snowing here. Okay, so next up we have AUD-CHF broken below the structure. Doesn't look like profit taking because net gas is pushing higher overall, so that looks good. Doesn't look like it. I don't think so. There's much trading activities today. The market is running usual. Looks good. Let's look at some optimized pair. GBP-CHF broken above 50 EMA. Just buy trades for GBP-CHF. Pullback entry bullish if that happens. No conditions. Okay, GBP USD, I've already sent you the zones. Getting very close to the support area. Keep an eye on the support zone right here. That was sent to you in the report. Keep an eye on your reports. That has been sent to you in your emails. AUD NZD, if that turns out to be a bullish engulfer, this candle. If that turns out to be a bullish engulfing candle, that will be a buy signal. So keep an eye on this candle close on AUD USD. A nice pair have been giving us some nice badass trades all the way from here. So let's see how this goes. Yep. Yes, so I'm mainly look at the zone report because these are the major areas I'm paying attention for the whole week. So once we have an entry condition, then we take the trades accordingly. So yeah, that is the goal, to keep an eye with patience and only enter at the zones. Symmetrical triangle here on Euro NZD. Breakout above will confirm its possible trend, but I'll be also looking at the zone below that has been recently broken, which is right here at 1.8206 goes to 1.8286, from where I'll start to look for my buying opportunity again. But 50 EMA is below. Bullish engulfer will be the strongest entry above 50 EMA. Euro USD. Wait for the price to give you a pullback to the zone. That was sent to you already in the report. Bearish engulfer double top will be my entry conditions. AUD Japanese yen, two zones, one above, one below. For now, just looking at these zones for the sell or buy trades. Not entering any trade because we are just ranging sideways. But I'm just looking at these levels. Again, for AUD USD, zone was sent to you right here, these numbers. For sell trades, bearish engulfers double top. If we are broken below with a solid candle, the price will continue to fall. Let's see if we have a zone below. Looks like if the price hit the level of support here. Not a very strongest level. Yeah. Yeah, looks like the price at the level of support. Just forms first bottom. Either a double bottom to buy or just buying trades within this zone right here. 0.6157 goes to 0.6202. Either the price comes inside the zone, forms bullish engulfers or double bottom. So yeah, a possible buying area from here and sell all the way from here. CAD JPY is still bullish. Break above this high, only then I'm going to buy CAD JPY. Or the fall to 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. We haven't got many entry conditions yet this week. That's why I've not sent any trade alerts. I've not found any good setups yet. GBJPY, yep, like I mentioned, bullish engulfer here. One target has been hit. Bigger targets look something like this. That was already been mentioned. USD CAD, if you are trading USD CAD, bullish engulfer, look at bullish engulfer above 50 EMA will be a strongest entry. So not selling. Yep. So selling zone is right up there. Otherwise, buying entry I'm looking at here on 50 EMA. Market is just ranging, is very slow. That is why. Euro Japanese yen break above this high, then a pullback entry bullish. Don't enter here either above 50 EMA or once we are broken above this high. Just a little accumulation happening here. That is all. Okay, let's look at some crypto market. Let's see what's happening with crypto. So crypto have recently just fallen down, but in the long run, we are still expecting a price to push higher. Mover is a coin I want to buy again, but my zone is quite below. It's right on $7. That is a very good token for your scalp and if you are trading futures. Very good token. Polkadot is very good here as well. If we are broken above 50 EMA, then we are bullish. Otherwise, we are bearish for Polkadot. The next buying zone is right here, quite low. We do have one more zone here. It's bouncing up, yeah. So either it's going to fall from here, we're going to buy here. Or once we are broken above 50 EMA, we're going to see a good push up to this level again. But it's going to be slow till the Trump's takeover next month. Once that happens, you'll see some positive news for crypto. We're going to shoot high. So a very good point to buy crypto at this point and hold it for the long term. WIF is a good coin for the long term hold. Ondo is a good coin to long term hold. This is a very good coin to the long term hold, Kronos. And then we have Algo, very good coin. If you want to hold this for the long, it's just on 40 cents. So, very good time to buy Algo. Matic, very good time to buy Matic. Because what we do, we buy when the price is already so higher. So, we have a good chance now to buy it again. XRP is already done. Cut my profits here on XRP, so I'm not buying XRP anymore. Unless we see a dramatic fall. BTC is bouncing up again. If you have seen my recent video, clearly mentioned that BTC is going to push up from here, right here, nicely bounced up, double bottom, and BTC is going to push up again. So it's at least going to go up to 103 till 106. For sure, that is going to push up from here, then pull back, some range, and then it's going to break out soon once you see a good news from the Trump. Ethereum has broken above the structure level, so it looks like it's going to push higher again. But the 50 EMA is the support that it needs to be broken. Overall, that looks good as well. Okay, so these are the major coins. I was looking at Sui, very good coin. Nicely trending higher. ADA, very good to hold for the long term. Dodge is also one of my investments. Good time to buy Dodge as well. Yep, Ali, I'm looking at Dodge. That is a very good time to buy. So I bought some Dodge right here. Is my buying area where I've bought Dodge. If you want to wait till the price come to this area, buy from here again. Or if you want to buy here, buy some here and buy some once the price come down here. So if you have a spare money on the side, if you don't want to spend it next month for the rent or anything like a bills, then very good time to buy crypto again. Because I'm expecting the price of crypto to go higher next year, at least in June or July. That's going to be long-term hold. Right, guys, so I've covered all the market. We still need to go through indices. Indices are left. So indices, US 30, Dow Jones, I've already sent these zones. Keep an eye on this zone for the possible buy trades. For now, if you have a next bearish engulfer, that will be a sell signal. And we're going to go short. So only sell trades for Dow Jones till the price hit this green zone. UK 100, the zone report was sent to you. How nicely it bounced up. And that is how we take our trades with zones. We took an entry right here and then we had a zone here that was sent to you in the report. Nicely played out. So once broken above 50 EMA, then we're going to start to look for the continuation buy trades. So if this turns out to be bearish engulfing candle, we can see a possible retracement back down. If not, broke above 50 EMA will confirm the trend towards the upside. Nasdaq 100 turns bullish again as we are broken above 50 EMA. Just a pullback and bullish engulfer is we are looking at for the possible buy trades. Nothing for JP225. Hong Kong is nothing. No signals here. German 40. Bearish trades only as we are broken below. Bearish engulfer will confirm the signal of sell and going to go short till here. But bearish engulfer pattern is must to take your sell trades. Similar as AU, Australia 200 index, bearish engulfer will confirm the sell signal as we are broken below 50 EMA. Nicely trending below 50 EMA. And if you have a bearish signal, we are going to go short. So only bearish trades for this one. Tesla, I've already sent you these zones right here. Keep an eye. Your buying zone is right here. Once the price hit my buying zone, it is an area for me to enter my trades. What else we have? LUCID, remember we bought here and I've said that it is one of my investments as well, and that is an area where I've mentioned if you were my member at that time, nicely broke out, broke above, nicely pushing up, and very good company to buy, Nasdaq company to buy. Already higher, but with a pullback we can buy again. Apple, we are looking at the zone below if the price comes down to the zone. Otherwise, I'm not buying Apple until we see a good and big retracement. If you use Fibonacci levels, 50% can be a limit order again for the next buy entry. Or this zone will be the best area to buy Apple stock. Right guys, so I've covered all the markets, all the instruments, and if you have any questions, please do let me know before I end this live session, and leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the day and rest of the year as well, since the Christmas holiday has been started from today. Crude oil. Okay, let's take a look at crude oil. Super Mario, yes, I'm going to take a look at that. So Ali, crude oil is still ranging, not selling or not buying on 4 hour. On high time frame, it's just ranging. On 1 hour time frame, if you are looking at your trades on smaller time frame for the day trades only, then you can look for your buy signals again. 69.86 goes down to 69.75. For the short term sell buy trades, a pullback above 50 EMA, look for your bullish engulfer. You see a perfect example of an entry right here. Break above 50 EMA, pullback, bullish engulfer. Let me zoom that up for you. Right here. So break above 50 EMA, pullback, bullish engulfer, nicely pushed up. Break of another structure, that is something we are looking at a trade in a range on a smaller time frame. So another pullback, you must see above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, look for your entry exactly like this. Previous candle must be a red candle and the next bullish engulfer will confirm the entry condition. Go for a target looking at the ATR is only 30 cents. Look for 30 cents target and then manage to 2 ATR, which is 60 cents for your crude oil target. So on short term, we are bullish. On long term, we are just ranging sideways. So you can look for your trades on short term, buy trades only on short term, a smaller time frame like 1 hour. So super. My pleasure, really. Super Micro, Super Mario, sorry. I thought it's Super Mario. Okay, MIC. That's a game. You know that. Okay, here we have. I've not seen this one before. Looks like a good stock. Fell all the way from 120. Looks good. That looks like to me. Valid head and shoulder. Bullish pattern. Okay, so we have a valid head and shoulder bullish pattern. Now there are two ways of entering the trade. For now we are bullish looking at the pattern and we can see a possible push up. Now the first way is a break of a neck of this pattern, a termination zone I call it. So you can wait or you can enter right here. So exactly like this. We are now in the termination zone, which I call a buying area. Normally I look for a pin bar within this buying area or bullish engulfer within this buying area. Pin bar like 382 candle, something like this. So we can get a signal here to get a better reward to risk ratio. For example, you buy here, then I'll keep my take profit till here. Stop loss here. So in that case, you get a better reward to risk ratio, and then once we have a breakout, you can move your stop loss to break even and move your profits ahead. So either a buy signal from here, or once we are broken above this termination zone, which is $50. Once the price break above $50, that will confirm that the price of the stock will head higher. So that is all I'm looking at. Bullish pattern here. Either you can buy here within golfers or pin bar, or wait till the price break above. That will be a less aggressive entry, but in that case your reward to risk ratio will hinder. No, just break and close is very important. Break and a close of the candles is very important. That is all we need to look at. Right, so possible bullish pattern here, and we have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder forming. We can see a possible push up from here. Right guys, anything else, please let me know before I finish this live session. And that is a daily pattern, not a 4-hour pattern. Daily patterns takes very long, but in the long run we are bullish for this stock. Nat gas, I'm loving nat gas, nicely pushing up. My pleasure. I'll give you a call, Simon, after the live session and tell you about the dinner. Okay, so I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next live session, hopefully next year. Let's see. Next Monday is next year. No, on 30th. I think so the markets are still open on 30th. So yeah, so if the markets are open, I'm going to see you guys on just before next year. You guys take care of yourself. Enjoy your holidays. Have a great day ahead.